Little mini truck. What year was this? 90?
1990.
1990. So he picked it up. I'm not going to tell you how much because I don't want you to get mad at us. It's a Hi-Jet. Woo! He's cleaned the carburetor. We went to go pull the full fuel tank to drain the gas, and lo and behold, there's a plug in it that you can drain the gas like an oil pan.
Put a little fucking drain plug in it.
Yeah, they have a drain plug in it. Check out the inside. He like stole this thing practically. Carburetor's all clean. It runs and drives poorly because of the gas. You can tell he's up underneath there. Don't tell me all that gas got drained out.
I think it got plugged up, to be honest with you.
Uh-oh. What are you telling me we're probably going to drain that gas after all? Or pull the tank? Oh, no. Good deal. Ooh, that shit looks bad.
Undo the cap, Jared. Yeah.
There we go.
Got a siphon effect on her.
Look. There's the gas. This stuff looks kind of rough.
It smells rough.
Yeah, well, you should smell it when you're driving it.
I think we're going to need another jug. I guess I could pour some of this into that used oil jug since we changed the oil and put a new filter on it.
Yeah. Yeah, because this tank's probably about 10 gallons.
Put the cap back on, Jared, please.
Yes. Anyway, we'll get back to y'all.
That is definitely not
That's called
turpentine.
Turpentine.
No wonder that little booger wouldn't run.
Right.
Try and do
Been
this.
sitting for a few years.
Yeah, we're sitting for 4 years in a pasture.
Yep, 4 years in a pasture. That's what happens to the gas. It almost turned to jail. Careful.
No shit, right?
Achoo!
Don't be sneezing like that.
Yep. Damn. Hope someone doesn't try to use that oil. Linux.
You should see the water on the bottom of that thing.
Damn.
See it down there in the corner?
Yeah. I don't know if you might want to dump some more out.
Well, I can't.
Oh.
That jug was pretty well full.
So this is probably, like I said, 10-gallon tank.
Yeah, well, we're gonna need.
I don't think it's quite 15 or anything like that. So. There's the wifey. Alright. We're gonna figure out what to do with the rest of this gas. New spark plugs and new wires will be here shortly. I think he's gonna try to take it for a spin. We'll just see how this rolls. Better hurry, I got a video. I got the video rolling.
You can shut the video off. I just wanted it for Brad. Let's see what happens.
Let's
It's
see.
nothing on the other side, is it?
I don't think so. Stinky, stinky. There he goes. Smoking off. It's called clearing out the mosquitoes. And he's off. Yep, he's cleared out every mosquito here, hasn't he? No, the spark plugs made a difference. The smoke it's blowing though makes me curious. Maybe some rings, but it's not gray, it's just white, so usually they got that blue tint, I think. No, but the door just came open.
Just randomly, or is David looking?
Oh, he might be just looking. He usually grinds it before he finds it. He killed it. Oh, now it's blue. I'm gonna say some rings are bad. But as small as that thing is. Huh? Baffled. It's about 10 gallons worth of gas. Oh man. If you can't find it, grind it, right? No brakes. Forgot the brakes didn't work. Right. It's got an emergency brake though. Well, there you go, boys and girls. Blown rings and all.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a bluish tint to it. It's yep. Alright, there you go. Peace. Well, folks, it's running. It's still spitting it white. Well, it's kind of got a blue tint. It's a happening. Whew. Yep, cancel out the mosquitoes. Right? There you go. A little bit of mystery oil. Some of this man's time and patience. He's been messing with it. Well, I've been messing with that. But he still has a little leak. We'll soon figure out what that is. I'll keep you all posted. Peace.